Ever wondered how a tiny seed transforms into a towering tree? Or how a minuscule mustard seed sprouts into a leafy green plant? Well, it all begins with a fascinating process known as germination. Germination, in simple terms, is the process of a plant emerging from a seed and beginning to grow. Think of it as the plant's journey from a dormant seed to a thriving organism. But how does this incredible process unfold, you ask? Let's dive into the enchanting world of seed germination. First and foremost, a seed needs certain conditions to kickstart the germination process. These include the right temperature, ample moisture, and sufficient oxygen. The temperature needs to be just right, not too hot and not too cold. Moisture is crucial as it helps the seed to swell up and break its coat, while oxygen is required for respiration. The seed, in essence, is a tiny package containing a plant embryo, food storage, and a protective outer covering called the seed coat. The food storage, or endosperm, provides nutrients to the embryo as it begins to grow, while the seed coat protects the embryo until it's ready to sprout. Once the conditions are right, the seed begins to absorb water, causing it to swell and break open its coat in a process known as imbibition. This marks the beginning of germination. Next comes the emergence of the radicle, or the root. This is the first part of the seedling to break out of the seed. The radicle anchors the seed in the soil and starts absorbing water and minerals. Following the radicle, the shoot emerges, which includes the stem and leaves. The stem pushes up through the soil towards the light, while the leaves unfold and start the process of photosynthesis, which is crucial for the plant's growth. This entire process, from the seed absorbing water to the emergence of the shoot, can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the type of seed and the conditions provided. So, to recap, germination is the process of a plant emerging from a seed and beginning to grow. It involves several steps, starting with the absorption of water, followed by the breaking of the seed coat, the emergence of the root, and finally, the shoot. The process requires the right conditions, including the right temperature, ample moisture, and sufficient oxygen. The seed is a marvel of nature's design, containing everything it needs to become a plant. It's a fascinating process, filled with intricate details and delicate balances. And while it might seem simple on the surface, the process of germination is a complex dance of nature, showcasing the incredible resilience and determination of life. So, the next time you see a seed, remember, it's not just a tiny speck